that Chelsea didn't drift around the stopped car on track.
I'm fired.
Out here we've got 2 rigs here, just like we did at Hyperfest. We've got the Fun Hour Tour rig, and then we've got our demo support rig. So you guys, a little tight, so we couldn't get the awning up. NT555 G2s on G2s on G2s. Coach tire machine set up. Cars being warmed up because our boys take such good care of us.
About to go for a little ride?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Blown off the track that much in my life.
When you entered back there, I'm like, no way. As soon as you, because I was already entered behind you when you started entering, and I was 50 feet back.
What you have to do, jump shots?
No, we're all in. My car barely spins 4th gear. I'm like, rrr, 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 like just to get it to spin 4th.
Shocks are dumped and you don't have a bar.
Yeah, we're all in.
Maybe my calibration's off a little bit.
Yeah. The binoculars just need a little adjustment.
Yeah, my calibration's off.
The butt dyno.
Couch calibration's off.
Hey, if I saw you pull the handbrake where I did and you went off, I'd be like, you know what? It's probably all right.
Yeah. I'm also thinking about too much about what you're doing behind me. Yeah. I need to stop that.
Well, also, it was our first lap out where you were looking at me. I could see you like feeling me out.
Yeah.
And I'm like, dude,
I need to just not worry about you.
Oh yeah, just send it to the moon, dude.
Okay.
We're good.
Right. I can't believe I did that. Larry was riding with me. Sorry, Larry. I went off seriously 6 times because I was entering so high. Right, Miss Chelsea? What did it look like from the passenger seat of Chelsea's car?
Dirt. A lot of dirt.
Yeah, well, he's been off-road a lot, so.
Is that what you were thinking?
Par for the course, because he was full roost off in the dirt.
Yeah, Chelsea told me he got out. He's like, yeah, I just hit the brakes because I knew that you weren't making that turn. The whole time I thought I had it.
You never had your car.
Dude, I was bumper budget. I'm first bumper budget this weekend. Damn it.
The next lap and I saw him missing. I was like,
damn it. So I'm doing really good except for the times I blow off the track. What is going on?
As far as I can see, you guys had a great run.
Thanks, bro.
I haven't been able to come to one of these events, but I've been following them for years. I've been following him since he was doing BMX on YouTube. saw him on the roster, got myself hired in for the chance to meet him.
Oh, sick. He got a job here for the chance to meet you.
I've been following you on YouTube since you were doing BMX. And I saw you on the roster, knew some people that were working here. I'm like, I need to work.
Gotta love our peoples. That's amazing. Got a job to work to meet Adam. Pretty damn cool.
He's only 5.
Chelsea will be here in a minute. We can get Chelsea to sign too. All right, day 1 is wrapped up here at Gingerman, and we're sitting here powwowing, talking about tomorrow, how things get better. It was a solid day. I went off course a few times. We found a small issue with Adam's car where he had front toe was out, causing it to be pretty darty. And somehow, I think during one of my excursions, I loosened up the lower radiator hose. So last session it came out, and my motor got maxed out the gauge at 270, but coyotes don't care. No real carnage. We're all in one piece. Yep, no bumper budget for me. Chelsea got a little bumper budget. I think it's because our boy Adam got a little excited and was rubbing that door, or rubbing his bumper on Chelsea a little bit. So I'm okay with the bumper budget, just no door budget. Wait, what? What is that? Just kidding, it's not the door, it's the sill. So we're gonna head back, go get some dinner, chill by the fire tonight, and then we grid life tomorrow, and we're gonna hit the concert tomorrow night as well. There's some good music going on tomorrow, so we wake up and we do it again.
When you are from Philly and you get a cheesesteak in South Haven, Michigan.
Whoops. Whoop, there's two.
We blew it. We blew it.
We didn't pass
I haven't tasted.
Learn something new every day. Yeah. We roaring now, boys and girls. So this is about to get interesting. Gridlife is putting drift cars on the track with the race cars, and doing laps where it's going to be like very Gatville-esque, I believe. So it's going to get sketchy, but I'm so excited about it. Chelsea, what are your predictions for this drift cars? And
This is a bad idea.
do you?
I do, but I'm about to go make some people really upset.
Or make them happy.
I hope
Because if they're on the track, they know what they're doing.
I don't think they know what they're doing. Or I don't know what they think's about to happen.
Special guest come visit me, Anthony Callard from Ford Performance. He's one of the badass designers over there. Before this, you just went for a ride with me at SEMA in a little lot.
Yeah, in the Mach-E 1400.
Yeah, the Mach-E.
Which was pretty insane as well, but this is another level.
Yeah, we're out here doing like 120, 130 mile an entries, and he was like, because he's a road racer as well, and he's like, my braking points were like 100 feet back there. Like, what are you doing? pretty cool, right?
Yeah, it's pretty impressive, like how much speed you carry into the corner, and like you just flick it completely sideways, and then it just scrubs off everything, and then you're like full on throttle all the way out. And the second lap with Chelsea, like changing places with us, that was awesome. Like I was like, what is he doing? You know, I'm used to seeing videos where you're in tandem, like really close to each other, and then all of a sudden I was like, wait, he's actually passing us. Like, what are they doing? So no, it was freaking awesome.
Yeah, we're doing. There's a double apex turn here, turn 4, and Chelsea and I are doing an over under there. So we'll put a clip in here for you to check it out. What the duck?
Oh, I love it.
If you take a poop on that right
it's
now.
definitely getting ready. Oh, I saw you taking a photo. He's like,
Oh, flexing on him, flexing.
dang, dude.
Oh, what's this?
What this do?
What
What this fun happen?
It's the best day ever!
Right here. Half lap.
Half lap. Chiller, dude.
That was insane.
Look at that, dude. Even got the perp, son. He's calling you.
He's got the purple on there. Sick.
Sick. Are you enjoying it?
Yeah.
Good. What else you got? So you got a little, got your pipes.
Upgrades, the K&N. It's tuned, the Ford Performance tuned.
Yeah.
Of course, you got the K&N intake. Good choice. How do you like this?
I do.
It sounds probably really good too.
It does,
doesn't it?
and I've got a functional hood coming, which will close right on top.
Oh, sick. Got the FH Fun Haver up there. I am so grateful for the love. Look at that. That and then boom. So they work with this foundation, and then they put a little RTR hit in there, toned in. You guys killing the game. Thank you. Larry DeNova, how you doing today?
I'm good.
Good? You're gonna go out there and hit the pace car?
Pretty much. No, I'm gonna be behind you guys.
Okay.
I'm looking forward to chasing you guys doing some insane tandems.
Yeah, so Larry's gonna chase us. Me and Chelsea got a nice line. We're gonna do a couple passes, and Larry's gonna be right behind us capturing it, so.
I cannot wait.
Yeah.
Well,
It's
listen,
gonna be fun, that's for sure.
already yesterday I was so blown away with how committed Chelsea was. I mean, I was already at 130. I don't know how fast he was going. He was probably going faster than me. Who knows?
Is that Larry
Bro, what are you
Tenova?
doing?
Is that Larry Tenova?
What do you think?
Yeah,
My new suit,
dude.
bro.
What year Larry DeNova is that?
That's 2019, Larry.
2019 Larry DeNova. under budget on this
Well,
run.
I was like, I was gonna bail off, because I normally just bail off tracks so nobody hits you, but if I bailed off and he didn't see Larry,
You're about to clear the lane for him to smash Larry.
Yes, exactly.
We had a car stopped, and then we had an oopsie and a doopsie and a dinghy and a dongy.
The one time that Chelsea didn't drift around the stopped car on track.
The whole back of my car is gone. I'm so fired. I'm so fired. Oh no.
Double fenders!
Yeah!
Double fender!
Holy
budget!
Is that a street bike tire? Woo! Street bike tire, dude! Dude, double street bike tire!
I'm so fired. I mean, it just delaminated and blew the whole back of the car off. I saw the whole clamshell. In the mirror, I'm like, I'm fired.
It's crazy though that the tires still didn't pop.
I'm afraid to be near it.
I know, me too. I know. Ah!
It's like a beach buggy, like the thing you ride on the beach.
Imagine they still have
Alright,
grip.
time to go to the sand
NT555 G2 folks.
Well, that's it for the on-track fun here at Gridlife Midwest. We're gonna grab some dinner, hit the concert tonight, get into a little bit of extra fun. We'll bring you guys along for some of those shots. I hope you guys enjoyed the on-track fun. Mr. DeNova,
I'm fired.
we'll talk about it. I don't think you're fired.
I'll have to go up to Charlotte
Miss
next
Chelsea.
week and fix it.
Yeah, Ray's gonna be like, you get your ass up here
Oh yeah, Ray's
and fix
gonna-
this hot rod. I'm in one piece. One piece. Adam is in one piece. Little bit of rubby there.
Just good.
Little nose on Chelsea. You're killing it, bro.
Thanks, dude.
Good job, buddy. That was a lot of fun.
Hey, we got any plans later?
We got plans. What do you want to do later?
I don't know. I'm about to go to the bathroom and I don't want to miss out on fun.
We're gonna have fun. We're gonna go to the concert.